Have you ever wondered what the third largest city in the West Midlands looks like? A place referred to as the gateway to the Black Country, with its abundance of coal and iron working foundries. In this drone footage, we check out Wolverhampton and reveal the highlights of a city that grew from a market town into a place recognized for its modern industrial base. We take off from the historic Molyneux Stadium, home of the Wolverhampton Wanderers since 1889. Wolverhampton Wanderers, known as Wolves, has a rich history dating back to 1877 and was the first club to win the Football League title in the 1888 to 1889 season. The Wolves is the first club to have won all 4 professional English leagues and the only club to have won all of the main domestic cup competitions. Indeed, several Nigerian players have played for Wolves all over the years, and the list include Seyi Olofijana, a midfielder, Carl Ikeme, a goalkeeper, and Ade Akimbiyi, a centre forward. The drone glides over the heart of Wolverhampton and we view St. Peter's Collegiate Church, a sign of the city's religious heritage. Founded in 994 by Lady Wolfruna, this historic Anglican church is a tribute to the city's resilience and faith, having been a central figure in Wolverhampton's development. The Grade 1 listed building, which showcases the Gothic Perpendicular style, is very exciting to fans of architecture and history. As we drift across the skyline, the city unfolds with its diverse highlights and landmarks. We pass over the bustling market town centre, where once medieval traders exchanged goods and now host modern shopping complexes. The drone captures the essence of Wolverhampton's industrial prowess, from the lock-making heritage to the steel jewelry that adorned the fashionable of yesteryears. Our journey takes us around the city centre, where we can see the University of Wolverhampton, which has over 21,000 students in the Midlands and 4 UK campuses. The university is a hub of education and innovation and attracts students from all over the world, especially for its postgraduate programs. It's been a fun ride, and as the drone returns to the ground, the city lingers in the air, ensuring the experience never really ends. It just creates memories where the adventure continues. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned more about Wolverhampton, a city that combines history and culture in its unique way. What is your favorite thing about the city? Please let me know in the comment section below. Do give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more drone videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.